Hey everybody, welcome to Life is Sunny Lee, and we are on week 21 of our organizing, cleaning, and decluttering of the house. Hey everybody, welcome to Life is Sunny Lee, and we are on week 21 of our organizing, cleaning, and decluttering of the house. And this week, we've been working out in the garden a lot. We've got 4 beds yet to finish to clear off and plant. And I've got beets and turnips to harvest. So we're still working a little in the evening at 15 minutes a day. And what we're doing this week is we're organizing our warranties, our manuals for things, decluttering them, going through them. If we don't have the machine that goes with, we get rid of the manual. There's no need to keep it. And most of the manuals can be found online. So if you can go and find it online, you really don't need to keep the manual unless you want it. I usually keep mine because I prefer to have a written copy. But the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to go and clean off the flat surfaces again, especially in the kitchen area that we've already finished. All the areas that we've already finished. The kitchen, the laundry, the basement, and the garage. We're going to go and clean up any flat surface so that they don't get cluttered again. And we're going to work on our notebook. Now, have you ever thought about what would happen if your phone died and your computer died, or you had to go somewhere else to use the computer and you don't remember your passwords? Yeah. Most of the phones and computers have, your personal ones anyway, have a electronic system where they save the passwords. If that ever failed, what would you do? What I do is I keep a written copy of all my passwords in that notebook, that family household notebook. I have a section just for passwords, and that way you have all your passwords in case you ever need them and you can't access your phone's either dead or your computer's dead or you're not around them and you need to have that information. Keep it in that notebook. And you can also have a file in your phone if you want to, for like you're on the go and you just don't want to carry that notebook around. You want to have the access to the passwords. You can make a secret file in your phone for that. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to make a sheet with all the passwords, put that in our folder, our notebook. We're going to go through our manuals and our warranties, and we're going to get rid of anything that we don't have or don't need anymore. We're going to shred every paper that we need to shred, and we're going to get rid of any trash or anything that's cluttering the house. I have a donate a box just for stuff like donate. So if you have a box like that, make this week the time that you take that box and donate it to the place that you're going to take it to. Take your recycles away and just clean out all the trash, recycles, donations. Get those out of the house so you can start a new box and a new way of getting things organized for donations and stuff to get out of the house. So, fairly simple. Go through get your passwords organized, declutter any manuals, get rid of any paper and shred it, go to the donation place and drop off your donations, and that includes your pantry. If you have any extra food that is close to being expired, you know you're not going to be able to use it in time, go ahead and donate that. And just do what you can and get rid of the flat, clean off the flat surfaces and enjoy it. Take your 15 minutes and work on it. If you have any catch up that you have to do from the past weeks, go ahead and do that if you have extra time. So that's what we're doing. Very short, very sweet. And remember, God bless and dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.